Breaking news coming in. Supreme Court has served notice to Amazon and the center and director of web series Mirzapur. A PIL has been filed against Mirzapur seeking regulation of content. That's the latest coming in after Tandava. The latest controversy brewing is on Mirzapur. Supreme Court has issued a notice at the moment to Amazon Center and the director of web series Mirzapur. Anisha Mathur joining us for the details. Anisha, I believe a PIL has been filed against Mirzapur seeking regulation of content. In the notice that has been served by the Supreme Court, what does the notice really say? And for our viewers who do not know, what is the controversy all about?
Well, Chaiti, first of all, let me clarify, this is not a new petition. This petition was originally filed in 2020, that is last year at some point this was filed, and the hearing has happened now. The court has issued notice to the center as well as to Amazon on the plea that has sought regulation of content on these OTT platforms. The petitioner, who claims to be a resident of Mirzapur, has said that this platform, the movie that was released on Amazon, on Mirzapur, the series that was released, has not only defamed the city itself, the town itself, but has also tried to show something that is not there, and it is something that the content should be regulated because of the language and the visualization that has been used in this series. He has also sought for content regulation of OTT platforms in general, saying that the kind of language and the kind of visuals that have been put out on these OTT platforms violate all the content regulation norms for television and films in India, and therefore they should be brought under the same umbrella. Now, the interesting point is that the petitioner initially argued today that it seems that because it has been so long since the petition has been filed and the series has been on air for such a long time, the petition may have turned infructuous, but the court has agreed to hear the matter and has issued notice because of the ongoing controversy as well regarding content on these OTT platforms. So it will be interesting to see what the government now says and what Amazon Prime now says about the request for content regulation, because this has been something that comes up every time that there is a controversial show or a film or a series that is of these OTT platforms.
Yeah.
There have been numerous demands from various people, including pressure groups, to regulate content on these OTT platforms.
All right, this has raked up a larger debate, as you rightly pointed out, on the OTT regulation bit as well. We'll continue tracking this story in much detail. For now, there is an PIL that has been filed against the Mirzapur, and the Supreme Court has now sent a notice to Amazon Center and the director of Mirzapur as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.